Myself Maruti, welcome you all to Ram Maruti Tutorials. So in this video, I'm going to explain a topic from progressions. Okay, in that progressions, nth term formula. In that nth term formula, so I'm using the nth term formula and checking out whether a term is present in a series or not. Right? If a number is given to you, right, and a series is given to you, right, and if you were asked to check whether the number what is given, does it belong to this series, right? Is this number belonging in that series? Is it a member of that? Is it a serial number of that? Does this number has any position in that, right? I said you earlier in my videos, position means roll number, position means n value, right? So my thing is, if you get any position for that number in the series, yes, it lies, right? If you doesn't get any roll number for that one, if you doesn't get any value of n for that one, no man, it doesn't lies. Okay, so that's the tricky part what I'm going to explain here. Finding the nth term to check whether the series. Now let me recall few concepts. What is the nth term formula? An equals a plus n minus 1 into d. This is the nth term formula in arithmetic progression. Yes, as I have discussed in my earlier videos, what are the variables in this one? The variables are a, d, n and an. These are the four variables. Here, the question is, he has given a number 301 and he is asking you, come on man, does that number 301 lies in this series? The series is given to you 5, 11, 17, 23. This is the series given to you and he is asking you, does this number 301, is it going to be in that? Please check it out and please confirm that. This is the given question for you. Simple logic is this: if you find n value, if you are able to find the value of n in that one, then we can say yes. Sir, why can't we find n? Please remember, n means roll number, position number. Position number can't be negative. This is what we have to remember. N value can't be negative. N value can't be negative. In the same way, n value can't be decimal. We can't get the value of n in terms of decimal. 4.2, 6.3. No, roll number can't be a decimal. And the next one, it can't be a fraction. Can't be a fraction. Yes. N, remember, n can't be something like minus 4. No, right? In the same way, n can't be something like 4.2. No, how can be a roll number? Be decimal. In the same way, n can't be something like 7/2. No. If you get to the value of n from this series, if a negative or a decimal or a fraction, straight away tell, no, the number 301 does not lie in the series. That's the logic what we have to. Means what? What do you mean by that? What do you mean by that? N value should be always a positive real number. N value should be only positive natural number, or positive integer. You can take anything, positive natural number. This is the logic which you have to remember. Is it clear? So if you find the value of n as only positive integer, yes, the number 301 lies in this. Otherwise, no man, it doesn't lie. So let us check it out. So we are using nth term formula. So what's a here? A equals the first term 5. We got it. Now the common difference d, as you all know, a2 minus a1. Second term minus first term, which equals 11 minus 5, which equals 6. Therefore, d value we got it as 6. Yes, we are ready with A and we are ready with D, right? N is the question. N is the question. Then what is AN? As I have said you in my earlier videos, the number 301, does it have any superscript like TH, ST, RD? Do you have any superscript on that? No. Then remember an equals 301. Always remember, if you have any superscript here, then we place it in the n value. If you don't have any superscript there like a th, rd, st, something like that, then we place in n. If it doesn't have, we place it in the place of an. So we are ready with 301 value, that is an value. Now take the formula. Take the formula. An equals a plus n minus 1 into d. Now what are all the values we have? Plug it in the formula and find whether n is a negative, positive, or what is that. By saying that one, we can figure it out whether that number 301 lies in the series or not. So let us plug it on. An equals 301. Yes, a value we got it at 5, and n is nothing but a position number, roll number. We don't know that. So let us plug it in the same way. N minus 1, d we got it as 6. Let's simplify that one now. So take positive 5 to the other side. 301 minus 5 equals n minus 1 into 6. So 301 minus 5, it's nothing but 296 equals n minus 1 into 6. Transpose the 6 to the other side. 296 divided by 6 equals n minus 1. If you simplify that, we'll be getting something like 49.3 equals n minus 1, but don't get it right. Let's find n value. Minus 1 transpose to the other side. 49.3 plus 1 equals n. So n equals something like 50.3. What is this one, man? How can the roll number, position number be something like 50.3? This is what we said. It can't be decimal. So, but we got the values in terms of decimal. So if you get in terms of decimal or a negative or a fraction, straight away tell, no man, that number does not belong to that series. So as we got, we have to say, since n is decimal, right, the number, what's that? 301 does not belong to this series, does not belong to this series, right? That's what is cool tip. So remember, this is the logic what we are going to follow and apply in all the sums, where we can check it out. A number, is it belonging in that series? To the practice session of our AN series, and in that one to check whether a term fits or does it belongs to the series given. So let's take one more question. Let be an engineer and figure it out whether it fits into the series. Yes, the question goes onto the screen now. Does 514 fit as a term in the sequence 4, 10, 16 and so on? I repeat, here we got a question here. We are checking the term 514, and being an engineer, we have to check it out that whether this one fits in which one. This is the series given to you. Okay, we have to check it out whether the term 515 belongs to the series. But please remember, you have to remember, the term means we are working on the roll number. Roll number means n, position number. And I have given the logic just now to you. Roll number can't be a negative one, right? And roll number can't be a decimal. Please remember, it can't be a decimal, right? And what's the last logic? Roll number can't be a fraction, something like numerator by denominator. We can't get any right position number or roll number in terms of. Then what do you want, man? We need n as a positive integer. We are waiting for this. We want n to be a positive integer. Now, if n we get as n for 514, if we get a positive integer, we say yes, this fellow fits and I'm the best engineer. Let's check it out. So what's the given series given to you? Series of AP or given series. So what's the given series for you? And here it is 4, 10, 16 and so on. Straight away, looking at the series, we can say the first term or A1 equals 4, right man? And A2 is nothing but 10. Let's find the common difference here. B equals A2 minus A1. Straight away, 10 minus 4, it's nothing but 6. So what's the common difference we got? Yes, okay, we got A and we got D. But if you might have checked my last videos, what is 514? You have superscript on the top of that 514. We don't have superscript, something English written like third, second, fourth. We don't have. Then straight away plug in the value of 514 in the place of an. That's the logic what we are having. Now let's go for the formula. Now what's the formula we are going to use? Is the formula is nth term formula, right? Nth term of AP. So what's the nth term formula? I think you guys became great by now. So an equals a plus n minus 1 into d. Now just now we got an is nothing but 514, right? A, what is the A value we got? It's nothing but a 4 and minus 1. The D what we got it as 6. Now let's transpose plus 4 to the other side. 514 minus 4 equals n minus 1 into 6. Straight away we get it as 510 equals n minus 1 into 6. Please remember, we are isolating, we are trying to find the position or the roll number. Let's divide by 6 equals n minus 1. If we check it out, I think it goes 6 8s 48 and 6 5s 510. So now you got, so 85 equals n minus 1, transpose minus 1 to the other side, 85 plus 1 equals n. Then what do you get now? So n equals 86. Did you get a positive integer? Yes, it's a positive integer. So what one can say, man, being an engineer, straight away say, yes, man, the number 514 fits in the series. 514 fits in the series. So here we go. You are the best engineer, man. You have fitted the perfect number in the perfect series. Hope you got it. This is the way to figure it out. The best way, logical way to get it. Thank you. Hope you understand. In this channel, I have been placing both math and science videos.